Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today let's discuss the health benefits of D3. Hey everyone, we all know that feeling of warmth and happiness when we soak up the sun, but did you know that sunshine does more than just brighten your day? It's true. The sun is our primary source of vitamin D3, a powerhouse nutrient that plays a vital role in keeping our bodies healthy and thriving. Vitamin D3 isn't just another vitamin. It's actually a hormone that influences numerous functions in our body. From building strong bones to boosting our immune system, vitamin D3 is like a superhero working behind the scenes to keep us in tip-top shape. And the best part? Getting your daily dose of vitamin D3 is easier than you think. So let's dive in and explore the amazing world of vitamin D3 and discover how it can transform your health and well-being. Ready for an adventure in the world of vitamins? Let's go! Vitamin D3 is crucial for building strong bones. Think of it as the construction worker of your skeletal system, helping your body absorb calcium and phosphorus. This is vital as we age and our bones thin. Vitamin D3 also strengthens our immune system. It acts like a conductor, coordinating our body's defense. Adequate levels reduce the risk of colds and flu. Emerging research links it to lower risks of chronic diseases. The potential benefits of vitamin D3 are vast and exciting. Stay tuned for more surprising benefits of vitamin D3. Now let's talk about the surprising ways vitamin D3 can impact your health. Did you know that vitamin D3 can lift your mood and boost your brain power? You heard that right. Studies have linked vitamin D3 deficiency to an increased risk of mood disorders like depression. Researchers believe that vitamin D3 may play a role in regulating mood by influencing the production of serotonin, a feel-good chemical in the brain. But wait, there's more. Vitamin D3 may also play a role in cognitive function. Some studies suggest that adequate vitamin D3 levels may be associated with better memory and cognitive performance, especially in older adults. So not only can vitamin D3 brighten your mood, but it may also help keep your mind sharp. Now for the twist. Despite its nickname the sunshine vitamin, most of us aren't getting enough vitamin D3 from sunlight alone. Factors like sunscreen use, time spent indoors, and geographical location can all affect our vitamin D3 production. This means we need to be proactive about getting enough vitamin D3 through our diet and supplementation. Don't worry, we'll cover all that in the upcoming sections. Are you getting enough of the sunshine vitamin? How do you know if you're getting enough vitamin D3? A simple blood test can determine your vitamin D3 levels. Talk to your doctor, especially if you have risk factors like limited sun exposure, darker skin, older age, or certain medical conditions. Symptoms of deficiency include fatigue, muscle weakness, and bone pain. Consult your healthcare provider if you experience these symptoms. Don't worry if you need to boost your vitamin D3 levels. Next, we'll explore ways to optimize your intake and enjoy the benefits. Section 5. Soaking up the benefits. Tips to optimize your vitamin D3 levels. Now that you know the importance of vitamin D3, let's explore some practical ways to ensure you're getting enough. First, soak up the sun safely. Spending some time outdoors without sunscreen can help your body produce vitamin D3 naturally. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure on your arms and legs a few times a week. Remember to always practice sun safety and avoid getting sunburned. Second, eat vitamin D3-rich foods. Include foods naturally rich in vitamin D3 in your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, egg yolks, and mushrooms. Third, fortify your diet. Look for foods fortified with vitamin D3, such as milk, orange juice, and cereals. And finally, consider supplementation. If you're concerned about your vitamin D3 levels, talk to your doctor about taking a supplement. They can recommend the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure they're right for you. Section 6. Embrace the sunshine within. Vitamin D3 for a vibrant life. As you can see, vitamin D3 is a true superstar nutrient with a wide range of health benefits. From strengthening our bones and immune system to boosting our mood and cognitive function, vitamin D3 plays a vital role in keeping our bodies and minds healthy and thriving. By understanding the importance of vitamin D3 and taking steps to optimize our levels, we can unlock a world of health benefits and live our lives to the fullest. So let's embrace the sunshine within and experience the transformative power of vitamin D3. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your health and well-being. By making simple lifestyle changes and incorporating vitamin D-rich foods and supplements, you can support your body's natural healing abilities and live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Keep shining bright. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.